I just coaxed him into killing the big ant. Look at this guy. He's just chilling. We've been hanging here for like, I don't know, 10 minutes together. He knows the deal. I know the deal. Oh shit, he's trying to attack us. He's attacking. Oh shit. Kratata, kratata. Kratata. Alright, we just put him back up here. We hung for a while. He's got to go blast now. So we got Buddy up here. Down here, I mean. And then we have some ants up here. I'm kind of waiting to see if we get some battle, some Clash of the Titans over here. No, I just missed it. He snagged one, though. He just grabbed that ant. Oh my god, he's clobbering it. Look at him go to town. Yeah. He's feasting. Oh, see, this is the other ant I was talking about. Look at this guy. Oh shit, are we about to have a battle? Come on, fight it out, boys. He's getting ready. He's gonna pounce. Oh shit. They're right next to each other. Come on. Why is he backing out? You had that. This ant keeps going back for more. Come on. Let's see it happen. What? It's not because you're missing an antenna that you can't do this.
I'm too weak.
I can do it. Do it. I think he's just trying to warn him at this point. Oh, come on. Yes! 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 Do it! Oh, shit. He got him. Oh, shit. Some National Geographic shit bullshit right here. What the hell? Oh shit. I'm a natural at this shit. I just coaxed him into killing the big ant. Damn. Look at this little fella. That one's kind of yuck though. Personally speaking, I'm not about that shit. Mind a shot, soldier? I guess we're gonna get into the lesson of this video. I think it'd be just look around, you know? It's cool following a little bug around. Bug's life. Made a whole fucking movie about it. I just made Bug's life too. Get off your damn phone. If you're on YouTube right now, click off that shit and go get a breath of fresh air out there, you know? Get off it. Let's go. No, close this shit out. Just close it fucking out. Close it out. See ya, motherfucker.